proud to be part of this graduating class that has overcome so many challenges and achieved so much. Congratulations to each one of us. Let's go out there and make a difference in whatever field we choose to pursue and jump into every experience with both feet.